I was paying school fees.
Up until when?
Up to November.
Up until November.
Others up to June.
But your children don't even get education at this school.
And
No
educators are not being paid. To educators, they said parents didn't pay. Why?
Toilet paper, just a simple basic thing. Toilet paper, they will say, Abandona must bring, but it's too much.
There's no classes.
There's no electricity. There's no electricity here even. We can't make photocopies. Last term our kids had to write from their cell phones. We had to send our learners question papers for them to sit in the exam room with a cell phone. Big irregularity. Big.
And we would send them Mama paper. So we have to make sure that everyone's on airplane.
We are in East London, where we are by a school that is not registered. And they don't pay the teachers, and we just found out that the school is not registered, and they charge the people 2,300 rand a month. So as One Nation Alliance, we are here to address this issue and get results, because a school like this shouldn't be operating without being registered, and they just hire teachers left and right, and then they don't pay them, and they just hire other teachers.
But I'm thinking about the high school students that are CAT students. How did they write their exams without? How did they even compute? How? No electricity, nothing.
And what month are we now? The 5th month.
Yeah, it's the 5th month of the year. The second term.
There's a chance that I'm a teacher. So I go to high school, I ask for an ATP, then I gave it to her, and then we use internet to Google notes and write.
Oh my God.
Then she did fast. Because I have that access to have ATP. And I've said,
everybody don't have that access.
Well, not everybody.
Not everybody
even knows what an ATP is.
I've even asked her, what about other kids? I said, I don't know. The chance is that it's because it's you. You've been bringing ATPs, and then I Google notes, I write notes, and then he gave the book to other learners.
Another thing,
And others.
school is not registered. Then they must pay the children's money back.
Yeah, that's what parents were saying now. They must. Yeah.
You must see that the children must go to a school. Most important exam for your child is July.
Because they're using their results to apply for university.